Welcome to Recipes and Reading. I'm Amy, and I'll be joined by my two sons.
Hi, I'm Garrett.
Hi, I'm Riley.
We're featuring R.L. Stine's classic children's horror series, Goosebumps. This month's Recipes and Reading will have Hot Dog Mummies and a very special sauce.
Okay, to stick with our Goosebumps theme, we're going to make some mummy hot dogs. They're super easy, 3 ingredients. It's got crescent rolls, hot dogs, and some sliced cheese. All ready to get going?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Riley's gonna hit up the crust.
Since R.L. Stine's first book release in 1992, the series has sold over 400 million books worldwide in 32 languages, becoming the second best-selling book series in history.
Poof!
That always is so fun.
Each book is a standalone story in the Goosebumps series. These well-written, spooky mysteries assume that the paranormal is normal. The stories will captivate any reader who likes suspense, horror, and fantasy. The books are written the way that kids this age think, speak, and have an age-appropriate amount of tension and violence. Just remember, they're designed to scare.
Okay, so once you get it open, you're gonna open up the crescent roll on your cutting board. Open it like this.
Slowly open it up.
Roll it out. And the instructions say to make 4 big squares. So go ahead and separate it out, both directions. So basically your crescent roll is down the center here, and you've made a square, but we want to close up this part of it. So you guys make 4 squares, and then we're going to pinch together all of the little creases so it's a solid sheet of crescent. To make it easy when we're rolling our crescent dogs, we're going to slice all of these crescents into tiny little strips using a pizza cutter. The best way to do this is the long way. So just like a mummy would be wrapped in Egypt, it's going to wrap all the way around the hot dog and make it look like bandages.
Use thin pieces, not too long.
Turn it like this so it's easier to cut like this. So you go long strip like that.
How's that?
That's perfect. Okay, so let's see. How's brother doing?
Good.
Show him what you're cutting, what it ends up looking like, one strip.
One strip will end up looking about this size.
Right, you go ahead and open both of these up for me. And Riley, you cut one slice right down the middle. And when you're cutting it into fourths, that means there are 4 equal pieces. So you cut this one long, and that one long. And then you've got skinny little pieces of cheese to go inside of our mummy crescents. There are a couple of options when it comes to rolling the crescent dogs. Depending on your kid's age, it'll determine how you guys do it. Now, if you have an older child, it may be easier for them to hold the hot dog, take the piece of cheese, one of the crescent strings, and just wrap it around. And that way you'll end up with a whole hot dog. Now, if you have a younger child, it may be easier to take the hot dog and the piece of cheese and to roll up the hot dog within the crescent. You guys ready to start rolling some hot dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
For the younger readers, to stick with the mummy theme, we've got several books to choose from. Mummy Cat, There Was an Old Mummy Who Swallowed a Spider, Unraveling the History of Mummies Around the World, and also Peter Pan and Mummyland, a really cute graphic novel.
And it's okay if they rip or break, because you can just squish them back together.
Exactly, and that's the fun of making food together, is because it's still going to taste the same no matter what it looks like. Perfect. Look at that, how cute he is.
I love the crust ones with a lot of crust on them. They're the best.
How cute he looks.
And if you have a lot of dough when you're running out of hot dogs, you can start to make them a little more detailed and make them look a little better.
Yes, if you had extra dough at the end, go back and wrap some of the dogs. The naked mummy dogs. You guys want to hear a Halloween joke?
What?
I've got baby ghouls. What do y'all call me?
Mama goals.
Mommy!
What?
Can you ruin my joke for me?
I don't understand it.
That was a really good joke, Mom.
No, it
I
wasn't.
don't
It's really bad.
understand
We
it.
finished wrapping the mummy dogs. Look how cute they look before they've even been baked.
That looks so good.
Who's your mummy?
You.
There we go. See, that's how it's supposed to work. $3.75.
Now that we've got the mummy dogs in the oven, let's get to work on our Big Mac sauce. Make sure to see the links for the recipes for this sauce and the mummy dogs in the links below. The Big Mac sauce recipe used to be a secret sauce made famous by McDonald's signature burger, the Big Mac. Sometimes it's called special sauce or secret sauce. The Big Mac sauce is perfect on burgers, fries, hot dogs, salads, you name it. With just a handful of basic ingredients, it's simple and delicious. We would love to see your mummy hot dog creations. And if you dare, post your photos on our Facebook recipes and reading comment sections. Scare yourself silly and discover the complete series. At the library, we have the original Goosebumps, the Goosebumps Hall of Horrors, and Goosebumps Horrorland. Check them out. Thank you for joining us on this Prosper Community Library virtual program. Make sure you visit the library soon. There are over 260 children's books or ebooks about Halloween that you can borrow from our library or check out on Libby.